Every time you eat, the teeth are attacked by lactic acid, a substance that is formed when bacteria mix with carbohydrates. Foods high in carbohydrates are the biggest problem. Things such as sugary drinks, cakes and cookies, chocolates and other sweets stay on the teeth when you eat them. Bacteria that live in the mouth love these foods and produce acids as a result. Over a period of time, these acids destroy tooth enamel, resulting in tooth decay. This gives germs and bacteria a way to enter the tooth, where they can cause infection deep inside the tooth, affecting nerves and blood vessels. If not treated, pus builds up at the root of the tooth, in the jawbone, forming an abscess. An abscess can cause further damage to the bone around your teeth, and is very painful. Brushing your teeth at least twice a day with fluoride toothpaste can help the enamel to resist acid attacks and stay strong. Eating healthy foods and not eating many sugary snacks or drinks can help to keep your teeth healthy and prevent tooth decay. Drinking water also helps to keep teeth healthy by washing away lactic acid and bacteria. It's important to see a dentist or talk to your healthcare worker if you have any pain or other problems with your teeth. You should also visit your dentist regularly for checkups so that any problems can be treated before they get worse.